Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update. And if you guys are not in the Discord, please join the Discord. The link is in the description of this video. I do want to drop one big support level right there. This again, just as I said it down here, when we came down here, is another investing opportunity. You are bouncing off the support, so if you're looking for an entry, this is a very golden opportunity for you to enter, and potentially from here you start to pick to the upside once again. So the question comes in, is this a good time to enter SLP maybe in the short term? Yes, it is. It is a good time. And if you guys are have been following me and this channel for quite a while, and you've been impressed by this all the predictions that I'm doing, if you're interested to learn how I trade, I have a technical analysis course costing 29 bucks here, and I do have 15 plus hours of content. Just released this one 2 3 days ago, and there's a lot of stuff in this trading course for you to learn about trading psychology, market psychology, chart pattern reading, so many different things, so many management. This course is intended for you to learn how not to lose money. So I'm not going to guarantee you're going to earn, but one thing is there is you're going to learn the ways of not to lose money. So if you're not losing money, then what's left? Winning, right? So you're going to be actually gaining, because when you stop losing, earning takes care of itself. So basically this is not going to be a very long update. What I see right now for SLP is a nice good bottoms right here forming up, and this is a very strong support level. Unless you don't start to lose these levels, backtest fail, and then you start to dump to the downside. The question is though, are we gonna try to form a horizontal channel, something like this one potentially? So I'm just gonna drag this a little bit down there. So in my opinion, what you're looking for SLP right now is you go back to these levels, which is gonna be the 20 and potentially the 21. So if you do start to take an entry from there to there, this is going to be 14%, and then from there to there it's going to be 21%. So you're looking for a nice good trade for 20% or 14-15% trade up here with SLP. And one more thing is that if you start to break this upper yellow line resistance back tested, then I'm going to tell you your next technical target right here. So this is going to be your top to bottom, and what you're doing here, this is gonna take you all the way to 26. Okay, so let's say you did enter at this point, it's gonna take you all the way to the 26. That's 50%, 48% jump to the upside, which is kind of good, right? It's really good. But if you actually cross the yellow line back test, then you're gonna go. Otherwise you're not gonna go. Otherwise you can just make a small trade, even like whatever, like 14% or potentially that 20%. Something is better than nothing by the end of the day. I just want to dive into the weekly time frame as well, and see what's up in the weekly. All right, so here we are into the weekly, and yeah, I told you the weekly is actually slowly but surely reversing, trying to reverse to the upside. Okay, so the sellers are not really pushing the prices down the way we saw SLP previously, dumping every single time. It's kind of controlled now. It's kind of like not willing to go to the downside anymore. And it seems like the buyers are actually trying their best to hold the prices at a particular key level, and so that more people can actually jump in and try to trade SLP as well. And the more people are going to buy the coin, then you're going to start to see those big green candles. Who know, by next week you go up to 19 or 22, 26, make a nice morning star right there, and then you start to pick to the upside. By the way, this candlestick that you see on the weekly is known as a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. This is the pattern that I actually traded, and this one won me like 100%, 80% to the upside. Technically speaking, SLP is reversing actually to go for an uptrend. Okay, because of some few reasons I've talked about before, and one of those reasons is that the fact that you broke out of this trend line after a very long time, and you're holding that trend line like a boss, moving sideways. Another thing is that when you see in a downtrend a candlestick like this one, it actually means a reversal is about to happen, and this is on the weekly chart. So that means that it's gonna take couple of weeks actually for SLP to start to make its big move, maybe, unless you don't start to lose this level. Let's say you don't start to lose the 0.0087, you come down, you take this low right there, then that's it. I think from here it's game over. I don't know, I'm gonna say it's a shit coin totally. I'm gonna say it's just the shittiest coin ever in the world if it does come down to the 0.0087 and lose this level, and then it's gonna really absolutely murder everyone. It's gonna make people even want to do suicide if they invested in it, which, but never do that, guys. Just don't invest too much that you're not willing to lose, okay? Never ever let a coin control your emotions, okay? Don't invest too much in crypto. You don't just do that, okay? You just come in, take a small pinch of salt, and try not to put all of your money into one coin as well, okay? So do a little bit of research when you're investing as well, and don't go all in everything, okay? Try to have different coins as well for potentially this doesn't work, the other one does work. So that's it for SLP update. If you guys are not in the Discord, join me in the Discord for these updates as well. The link is in the description of this video, and please take a look at this course if it's something you're going to be interested in. You can also join to learn about the course, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.